अस्तु आरभामः। ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अस्तु, अद्य विचारः एवम् आसीत्। तत्र इदानीं भवन्तः संस्कृतम् इदानीं पठित्वा किञ्चित् कालम् अभवत्। इदानीं कथां पठितवन्तः, पठन्तः सन्ति अपि। तत्र नूतन शब्दाः आगच्छन्ति। एतत् शब्दं किं, क्रियापदं वा नामपदं वा, किम् एतत् लङ्लकारः वा लट्लकारः वा, किम् एतत् इत्यादि प्रश्नाः उत्पाद्यन्ते खलु मनसि। अतः तत्र इदानीं जालपुटे आन्लैन् मध्ये अनेकानि यन्त्राणि सन्ति। अतः तानि कथम् उपयोक्तव्यं, how to use the online resources इति मनसि विचारः आसीत्। स्वप्ना भगिनी अपि अत्र भारतदेशे एव अस्ति। सा अपि गतसप्ताहे आहूतवती कथं करणीयं, कथं संस्कृते कंप्यूटर् मध्ये टैप् करणीयम् इत्यादि प्रश्नाः सन्ति। अतः अद्य तस्मिन् विषये चर्चां कुर्मः इति विचारः अस्ति। भवन्तः अपि यदि प्रश्नाः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु। कथम् अन्वेषणीयं, शब्दानां विवरणं कथं ज्ञातव्यम् इति। So Sanskrit Bhasha is like that because it's all built up. All words are constructed. So once you get a hang of how things are constructed, then it becomes easy to decipher these words. And because it's all constructed, you will never have a dictionary. There's no such thing called a Sanskrit dictionary. There's really no such thing. Even though we have dictionaries, etc., we have small dictionaries, mini and big, and I have some dictionaries, but still no dictionary is complete. No dictionary, because immediately I can create a word. So Venkatramanaha, Sripati, so Venkatramanaha, Ramanaha you will find, Ramana you may find, Venkata you may find, Venkata you may find, we will find, Venkata Ramana you may not find, because it's a combination of two words. So it depends on the dictionary. So because words can constantly be added, I mean joined together, samasas are formed, etc. Samasa will cover another time. So ataha, therefore the online tools become very helpful, because then they have the ability to join all these things. And upasargaha santi. So gacchati, balakaha vidyalayam gacchati, anugacchati follows. Lakshmanaha Ramam anugacchati. Lakshmana follows Rama as they were walking in the forest. So anugacchati, anugam, and then agacchati, you know already. Agam, agacchati. So ability to recognize all these prefixes slowly, since we are gaining that ability, we can use that to our advantage. Avagacchati, katham prachalati, Samskrita Kaksha, Sarvani, Sarvan Vargan Avagachiti va. So do you understand? So ityadi. Upasarga, very big thing in Sanskrit, which can transform the meaning of a word, of a dhatu. So that is the idea, just to do some online playing around online. So that's the idea today. Haripriya Bhagini ekam katham preshitavati. Tat tam katham drishtva prayaha. We can use that as a means to play with these tools. Not much, but 3 or 4 tools are there which are primary that I use. So we can use the tools to learn how to use them first of all, and then as you practice, of course, you get better at it. Should I take a look? You're all able to hear me? Samyak. So Yadi, if you have any words that you had doubts about as you did your homework, you can bring them up also. Right now, we can look at them.
The question I had was the Pruchati and how to find the Tavya Pratyaya. Because I could find only Yat Avyaya, so I wasn't sure how to get.
Prichati. So what does that? So let's do that. Let's look at it.
Fresh. Yeah, fresh.
So Atra, you're familiar with these sites? You have used it before?
Yes, I used this one only. So Atreva Gachamaha. So this grammarian site is the best for some of these things. So because all these words are put together, you can program all these things so that it can figure out what the root is, etc. So first thing, Prathamam, we must know how to type. So this is rule number 1. So maybe we should make a note here. The way I'm using is I'm using Google Tools to type in Sanskrit. I copy and paste it here in Devanagari.
So you're using Google Translate. What is it?
Yeah, Google input tools. Type in Google.
Google, yeah. So sometimes Sanskrit or English translation. So for example, Atra, let's try it. So here I'm using something called Baraha. So there is a software called Baraha, which used to be free years ago, and then I purchased a license some 10 years, more than 10 years I've been using it. So here, so whenever I can so here I can do like this. Baraha software works like this. So Pashyat Atra. So I hit the F11 key. Idanim vayam grihakaryam kurmaha. Please try to do
all the exercises arabhamahe. So what I just showed you, I can switch between Latin, English, and Devanagari, but just by hitting a keystroke, and then I can go back and forth. So there are, I don't know if there must be other tools like that. Baraha is not the only tool. So have any of you used those things? Krishna, how do you type?
I'm used on the computer, sir, but on the cell phone, I have downloaded the Sanskrit keyboard. So just like a keyboard, it comes the Sanskrit letters, Devanagari letters, and then we can type it directly into, because the keyboard changes English, Sanskrit, Telugu. Those are the things I use.
Yeah, so on the telephone, agreed. So you have to use the Sanskrit keyboard and you can switch the keyboards. What about the computer? What about the laptop or desktop?
Computer, I did not have success. I mean, yeah, not much success.
Okay. What about Saraswati Bhagini? What do you do?
I use the Google input editor. So I type it in, when I type in, it comes with translation. I use kind of transliteration, but it puts Devanagari, just like how you showed in Baraha.
So
then.
So let's try that out. What is it called? Google? Google input. Huh?
It's called google.co.in input tools. KRY.
Try Google.
Try Google input tools online. It's a free thing.
Okay. Oh, like this you do?
You're not sharing your screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Oh. Shamita. So, Google input to this one?
Yeah. I select Sanskrit and then I type.
Something like this, huh? So it tells you what the Sarvebhyo Namaskaraha. Okay, so this is actually pretty good, huh?
This is good.
This is really good. So
I think I've used keyboard on the computer. I mean, on the computer also, sir. I don't know how I used it, because I remember now I'm not constantly using it, but I remember one of the homeworks, we have to type in the slokas and everything. I've used it. Yeah, keyboards. I'll see, and then I'll get next class. I'll tell you.
Okay. So you used a keyboard, some kind of a tool which allowed you to.
Yes, sir. It's a kind of an add-on, and then once you use it, like you type in English, I mean, it converts it into Sanskrit, Devanagari, and then
Okay. So I'll show you one tool here. Let me share that.
Yes.
So for example, I used to, long ago when I was working, and I used to read this Sanskrit newspaper during lunchtime and all that. That time I used to use a tool called Sanskrit. Chitram drishyate khalo atra? So idanim pashyatu mama nama Jayakumaraha. Okay. Adya vayam samskritam patamaha. So there is a problem here. Chitram atra drishyate va? It's very small, no? Minute. Hard to see. Atra there is a dosha. So that's because we have to look at the transliteration map. So R is RRI. 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 Sanskritam. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So this one looks, so this one I've used. Sanskrit is good. Like this, you may have other tools. You can use any tool you want. So I think we should make a note here. Google input. Sanskrit. What is it called? LearnSanskrit.org. So these are good tools.
The one advantage between Google, using Google input is it is using the same transliteration mapping for spokensanskrit.org, that dictionary too. So I can copy and paste both.
Oh, this one?
Not this one. Yeah, this one. From here, if you can type something and then copy it there, and you get the meaning, and you can use it.
Okay, so here also you can copy. So Control A, Control C, etc.
Yeah.
So it's meant to be copied, etc. So good. I think we have discovered 2 tools already. So that is the first step, is to learn to type. And there was that question also a couple of people asked. So let's go back. Satra gatva atra mastu. Prichati. So if we don't know how to type here, we should go back to Google Translate, right? Or Google input.
You can type the entire word.
But I have to choose, no?
Yeah, you can. It gives a lot of options when you keep typing.
Prichati, it automatically gives the first. So it seems to know what is the right form, huh?
Yeah.
Prichati. Samyak. So copy, paste, Prichati.
Yeah.
So Prichati found as inflected form. So Prichati is an odd word a little bit. So some people say prash is there, some people say prich is the dhatu, etc. Prach is the dhatu. So here Prichati. So this you tried, no?
Yeah. I've gone and clicked that number 6 link. Then I changed that Roma to Deva.
Change Roma to Deva. Prash. So Prichati ityadi. Prichati, Prichataha, Prichanti, Prichami, Prichavaha, Prichamaha.
And I scroll down further down, and where there is the Kriyan Danta. So Tva, Tvatu, Shatru,
Tavatu, Prishtavan. So Prishtavatu, Prishtavati is correct. Prishtavat, Prishtavati. Prishtavan, Prishtavantau, Prishthavantaha. Prishtavati, Prishtavatyau, Prishthavatyaha. So those are correct. And then
so I can see only Yat and Ani here, but not Tvaya.
Tavya.
Tavya Pratyaya. Tavya, I don't know how to get it.
Oh, Tavya is not there. Tva Prishtva, Prashtum, ityadi santi. So there are 2 forms apparently, Prishtva and Pricham. I don't know what that is. Prashtu. So atra prashtavyaha. So
Haripriya Bhagini gave the yat pratyaya.
So this one, so here actually there is a mistake. There's a mistake here. This one must be tavya. So yat rupam is not prashtavya. So you can't get a vakara without a tavya. So yat cannot give vakara. Yat can give puchyaha,
Okay.
but it can't give prashtavya. So here is a mistake. So that's the tavya pratyaya, prashtavya. I hope the mistake is not there everywhere, no?
From now on, we will see. Now that I can identify.
No, I mean, so for example, you go to stemmer.
Not everything, only this word. All the other words I could get that.
Yeah, so tavya should be there, correct? So even if we say something like pat, patiti, illegal.
Because you selected.
No, that thing, there is a particular way of doing it. That's the other thing. So you have to again look at the translation help, transliteration help. Each site has its own transliteration, no? So, for example, go to stemmer. So here transliteration help. Always look at how the site wants you to type. How the site wants you to type. Correct? So here this is a particular way of doing it. So ta tha da dha na. So they want you to type .t. .t. So therefore atra grammar .th is it .th? .th, pat. Yeah, are you following?
Yeah.
Krishna Mahodaya?
Not clear, sir. The video is a bit slow. It's just moving slowly. So.
So actually your video is moving slowly here also. So how is it, Saraswati, how is the video there?
For me, it is very clear.
Okay. And Haripriya Bhagini? Okay.
Okay.
So it appears like there could be a bandwidth issue on your side. Although sometimes it can be on my side. I'm actually using my telephone as the internet connection for me today.
Yes, sir.
So what we did, Krishnaji, is we said there was a mistake. Sometimes there is a mistake. So we are trying to get the conjugation of pat dhatu.
Yes, sir.
Pat dhatu. And pat, how do you type pat? See, here pat comes like this, but how do you type it? So this website tells you how to type it, how to type letters. I-E, etc. So it's good to get familiar with this way of typing.
Yes, sir.
So generally, iTrans, etc. works the same way, but certain things like r, and then ta, etc. You need to type a dot in front of it. But ya, ra, la, va, sha, shiva, sha. So they want you to type Z, and then sha, shashti, sha, shanmukha, sha. It's a dot s. So just you just have to get used to it. That's all.
Yes, sir. Now check.
So pat dhatu. Let's see. Go scroll down. So atra tavya. So here it says tavya. Pati tavya. So here it's correct. It mentions it rightly. But that prich dhatu, it had a problem. So I think we should keep that in mind. Before yat, always it's tavya in this list. So there was a mistake there. So that part is clear, no?
Yes.
Prishtavya, Prashtavya. So it's Prashtavya. 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 So how did we do that? Stemmer, Prichati, which we copied from here. Type it here. And then Devanagari, you can type it like this, or you can use the transliteration and type it the way they have recommended, right? Pakara, and then R, Cha, Cha. So we can even try that. So, Prichati. Prichati. You following me?
Yes, sir.
Both options are fine. You can do what you're comfortable with. If you know this system well, you don't have to go to the input tool site. So Prashdhatu. And then type the number 6 here. So one more thing here, Google will automatically translate this page. So there were some instructions given, right? This is all in French. This site is entirely in French. So you have to, in that document, it tells you how to install that Google, there is some kind of add-in or something, which automatically translates everything. So just now, as you were looking at it, it was translating. Did you see that? So for a while it was in French, then it suddenly became English. So I must make a note here that the Sanskrit Indriya, So I think you know that it was the instructions had that information, right? So once you do that, then you click on the number here. This is the Gana. So every dhatu, there are Samskrite dhatoho dasha ganaha santi. 10 the verbs are categorized into 10 ganas. And so you have to click on 6. But then if you do that, it only tells you in Devanagari. So generally what we do is change that Roman to Devanagari there, up on top. And so then you should be okay here. Prichati, aprichat, ityadi. Aprichat, langlakaraha. Lot, prichatu, pricha, prashnam, pricha, ityadi. And then Kridanta Rupani, scroll further down. So atra, this Tavya, Aniyar, Tavatu, Shatru, so you're all beginning to learn it. So these pratyayas are also categorized in Sanskrit. So this titaha anti also pratyayas only, right? Patati, patataha, patanti also pratyayas. So atrapi tavya, aniyar, ityadi pratyayas santi. So there are a group of pratyayas called krit pratyayas. Krit. What the krit does is converts a dhatu into a pratipadikam, converts a dhatu into a noun, as it were. Pratipadikam. So you've heard of the word Pratipadikam, no? Yeah.
No.
Pratipadikam. So once
the root word for the noun form.
correct, root word for the noun. So that is called Pratipadikam. So dhatu, generally it becomes a verb. So pat, patati, patataha, patanti, ityadi. But then it can be by addition of other pratyas called krit pratyas. The dhatu will be ready to become a noun. And all these words, tavya and patitum, aham patitum vidyalayam gacchami, shishyah, shastram patitum ashramam gacchati, ityadi. So the tum is there. Vidyalaye balakah patitva, pat dhatu. But then patitva is not a verb, it's an avyayam. Avyayas are also nouns only. So patitva punaha griham agacchati, pratyagacchati. So all this tva, tumun, aniyar, and like this, so many pratyas are there. Shatru. So shishyaha duradarshanam pashyan bhojanam khadati. So these days multitasking, no? Everybody has to do 2 or 3 things at the same time. You should never do one thing, you know. What is it? You're all old-fashioned people. So anyway, so there's Shatru, Shana, Chityadi, all that is there. So those types of pratyas are called Krit Pratyaha. That is why here you see the word Kridantaha. Kridantaha. Spotlight. This is called Kridantaha. So Krit Antaha Yasya Saha Kridantaha. The word which has Krit Pratyaya as its ending is called a Kridanta. That's what that is. So not complicated. So he's listing all the ta iti, nishtha iti, there is a particular pratyaya. Tavatu you're used to. Katavan, patitavan, uktavan, chalitavan, etc. All these words are there. Tavatu, shatru. So like that. These are all kridantaha. Then so here avyaya. In fact, all these things are also kridantaha only, but they are avyaya kridantaha. These kridantas, they decline in all 3 genders. Trishu lingeshu vartante. So atra prishtavan, prishtavantau, prishtavantaha, prishtavati, prishtavatyau, prishtavatyah. So like this, you have 21 forms for each word. But atra, they are avyaya. Same kridantaha, but avyaya. Avyayas are also nouns only, except that all forms in all vibhakti and vachanas are identical. Okay. So prashtum, prishtva, ityadi. So we need to be a little careful. Some errors are there here and there. So that's why it is good to cross-check with other sites. Astu. So we will leave it at this. And then maybe what we should do, prayaha, we'll just look at this. Eka katha likita asti. Atra anya kimapi prashnaः santi va anya?
I have one more question I have. The use of adjectives. For example, we are hearing a lot about this coronavirus. Indian government has banned people from 7 countries, if I want to say. That not 7 is greater than 5. If I say 3 countries, so that 3, when I say use Panchami Vibhakti from Deshat, then should I mean, if it is more for 1, how should it be the adjective, and for my, like, should it form the number also should change the
Yeah.
The noun form.
The form of the sankhya shabdasya roopam api parivartate. Tadeva. So correct. So from countries. From 3 countries will be from 3 and then from countries. From 3 from countries. So tatra 3 pratipadikasya lingabheda asti khalu.
Yeah, that's the reason why I
Trayah, Tisraha, Trini iti. There are 3 forms until Pancha Paryantam kalu. Chatvari Paryantam Lingabhedah asti. Anantaram from Pancha onwards there is only 1 form. Lingabhedah nasti. So Panchebhyah Deshebhyah Nagarikaha Bharatadesham Agantum na Shaknuvanti. Panchebhyah Deshebhyah. Panchami vibhakti. Saptebhyah Deshebhyah. Evam. So Trini. So Tribhyah, probably Tribhyah is the form. You have to carefully look at it. So Tribhyah. So Trishu Lingeshu Rupani Vartante Kridantanam. Kridantas will have forms in all 3 genders. Trishu Lingeshu. So there is a Saptami Bahuvachanam Trishu. Likewise Saptebhyah Deshebhyah. Jananam Agamanam has been banned. So Kim Karaniyam Idanim Katam Patamahva. Shall we go through a story and then let's encounter some words. Let's practice. Abhyasam kurmaha. Astu. Krishna Mahodaya. Chitram drishyate va? Patatu atra.
कृष्णः कुचेलः च कृष्णः बाल्ये
Sandipani Maharshehe.
Oh, Sandipani Maharshehi Ashrame Vidyabhyasam Krutavan.
Tada.
Oh, continue. Tada Tasya Snehitaha Ekaha Asit. Tasya Nama Kuchelaha. Tasya Anyat Nama Sudhama. Krishnasya Kuchelasya cha Sakhyam Uttamam Asit. Maharshehe Bharya Matruvat Manavakadvayam Poshitavat. What is Manavakadvayam, sir? I know Dvayam is 2, Manava is 2, Manavakadvayam.
2 students.
Manavakadvayam. How do you analyze this word? Manavakadvayam. How to
Manava is human. So Dvayam is 2.
Have we covered the Dvayam so far or not? So Lekani Dvayam, Pustaka Dvayam ityadi.
Pustaka Dvayam. Yeah. We did.
Yeah, so the same thing here also. So that suffixing the number is a way of converting the noun into a plural noun into a singular noun. Correct? So balakaha, balakau, balakaha. Ekaha balakaha. Dvau balakau. So dvau balakau can be said as balakadvayam. Napumsake. become, I think it is Napusaka. Hello, Haripriya Bhagini.
Dvayam.
Dvayam, Sarvada Dvayam eva Napumsakam eva khalo. Napumsakam. So instead of saying Balakau, you can say Balaka Dvayam. And Lekhani.
So it's not Ekaha. Sorry.
Vadatu.
So it's not Ekaha Balakadvayam. It's Ekam Balakadvayam.
Napumsakam, correct. Ekam Balaka. Ekam, I mean, if you don't say Ekam Balaka Dvayam, but if you want to say, it's grammatically correct. But we don't, because Balaka Dvayam is actually two boys. So generally we won't say Ekam Balaka Dvayam. You can say Ekam Balaka Dvayam Ganam, we can say. One group of two boys. So good question. So grammatically you are correct. But because the form is actually, there is a plural inherent in that singular noun. So Balaka Dvayam is a singular noun. Atrasti. So Atrapi Manavaka Dvayam. Means you must understand this must be Manavakau. Correct? Manaka Dvayam is Manavakau, no? Assuming it is Manavaka, assuming Manavaka is Akaranta Pullingam, then it will be Manavakau. Okay, Manavaka. Because it can be Napumsakam also. Patram. Patram is, Patra is Napumsakam. Patra Dvayam. Patram, Patre, Patrani. So Patre can be Patra Dvayam. Correct? So Manavaka is the Pratipadikam. So here Pratipadikam has to be used. Correct? Lekhani, Lekhanyau, Lekhanyah. Lekhani, Lekhani Dvayam, Lekhani Trayam. Correct? Or Lekhani Trayam, Lekhani Chatvari, Chatushtayam, Ityadi. So atra Manavaka means what? So we have to look at the dictionary, no? Pashyama. Let's look at it. Manavaka. So atra
Sounds similar to Manavan, Tamil word.
Manavan. So again, Satra. Manava. So good thing here it tells you. You can see the options given, no? Manavaka. 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 Person, youth, ityadi. Lad, student, pupil, ityadi. So Manavaka. So young boys, young men. Young men. So Manavaka. And young men also it says masculine. So it's Akaranta Pullinga Shabda Manavaka. Correct? Krishna Madhya?
Yes, sir. Manavaka.
Manavaka. So what happens if you put Manavaka Dvayam here?
Both Krishna and Kuchela.
Will this stemmer get confused if you type Manavaka Dvayam? So here is another example where dictionaries may not work. Manavaka.
It doesn't even understand the prefixes for the word.
Manavaka Dvaya and all, if you say, so it won't tell you. Because we understand that Dvaya can be a suffix to a noun. Therefore, Manavaka very much it loves to tell you what it is. And Manava, Mana. So Manavaka. So Manavaha is human being, right? So guy, boy, young, etc., little man. So it looks like Manavaha. Manavaha. Manavaka. Similar meaning it looks like. So Manavaka Dvayam, if you type here, you won't get much. Correct? Because Manavaka Dvayam, see, look at the dictionary right there. A word, a very legitimate word, Manavaka Dvayam, doesn't exist in the dictionary. You won't find it.
Because then because we know the rule, dvayam, trayam, ityadi can be suffixed to any noun to make it dual, triple, quadruple, etc. So you won't find
So
those
if
in the
I,
dictionary.
so if I split that for, so it'll be Manavakaha plus Dvayam or Manavakau plus Dvayam.
Yeah, manavaka only. Okay.
Manavaka. Only Pratipadikam we have to use plus Dvayam.
Plus dvayam, correct. Manavaka, dvayam.
Otherwise, we have to use dvau manavakau.
Dvau manavaka, exactly. Dvau manavaka, that's what it is. So, atra, you must have some doubts, when you see something like this. Do you understand every word in this or what? Tasya anyat nama sudama. Kuchelasya anyat nama sudama. Sudama. Tasya shabdasya pratipadikam kim?
Akaranta tad Pratipadikam.
Dakaranta pullinga.
Ekavachanam Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti vibhakti. Tasya, tad, tasya. Anantaram nama iti.
Nama is Avyaya. Avyayam.
Nama is avyayam. Okay. Nama avyayam. So, nama is avyayam. And nama can also be a nakaranta napumsaka lingam. So, let's check that out. Nama. So, we have not used these other dictionaries. There's one more here. We'll skip that for now. This is good enough. Nama. So atra naman iti atra likitam asti. Naman. Naman. So
there is no gana. There is no gana for that nama.
So naman, we have to go to naman. It says go to naman. So we have to go to naman and see. So gana won't be there because naman is a noun. Naman is a noun. So atra napumsakam. Naman, napumsakam. So name, appellation, ityadi. Okay. Now atra there is another form of nama which is an avyayam also. But let's look at this napumsakam form. Naman. Naman. So these are the forms of nama. Nama shabdasya rupani. Nama, namani, namani. So tasya nama, bhavataha nama kim. Bhavataha nama kim, when we say bhavataha nama, ekavachanam prathama vibhakti. Nama comes from naman. But then there is also sometimes it is used avyaya api asti. COVID nama kim. COVID nama kim. What is this COVID? What is this COVID-19 you're talking about? So COVID nama kim. COVID nama kim. It's a typical question. So when you don't know something, you ask, what is this? So we say nama. COVID nama kim. GST nama kim. So if you're in India, you have to worry about GST. So goods and service taxes. Look at a bill and say, GST 18%. So GST nama kim. So that nama, I think it can be, there is an avyaya nama also. So avyaya also is there.
And here it doesn't tell you that it is avyaya, but let's see if this site tells you what it is. Nama.
I'm not sharing the screen.
Oh, not sharing. Shamita. Nama. I've gone to another site called sanskritdictionary.com. So all names seem Nama did not match dictionary words. Why is that? Naman.
Then it should be Devanagari, right?
Devanagari. Okay.
Naman. Yes.
So noun, okay, that is fine. There is a Naman. Avyaya also is there. Anyway, it doesn't show up here, I think. Or maybe it's hiding somewhere. But definitely Naman Iti, there is a form there. So sometimes, so therefore, atra pashyatu. Look at this. Tasya anyat nama. Tasya anyat nama. What is anyat? Anyat iti kim? Anyat nama kim? Anyat nama kim?
Chaturthi? No.
Anyat. So, Tasya anyat nama Sudama. His other name is Sudama. Kuchelasya anyat nama Sudama. So that anyat, anya is the pratipadikam. So anyat. So we need to look at anyat, right? Anyat. 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 So I think you understand by now. This is not NOT. It is this is Napumsakam. It stands for Napumsakam. So maybe NOT is, I don't know why it says NOT. The translation maybe it's makes a mistake or something. So Anyat. IIC. Kim etad IIC? Anya, Anyat kama ityadi. So Anya. So atra pashyatu. Anyah, Anya, Anyat. Anyah, Anya, Anyat. Correct? Other. Anyah, Anyah. Kaha agatah atra? Anyah Purushah agatah. Anyah Purushah agatah. Another person has come. Another person has come. Please look. You thought you only had one guest. No, there is another person. Anyah Purusha api agatah. Waiting at the door. Tatra gatva pashyatu. Anyah Purusha agatah. Anya Balika asti. Anya Balika api. Natakam kurvam siddha asti. Anya, another girl is there. She also wants to play in the skit. Anya Balika. Anya Purusha. Anyat nama. Because nama is Napumsakam we saw before. Right? We saw Napumsakam. Therefore, it is Anyat nama. So let's see all the forms. Anyat. So Anyad. So it must be like Prayaha. It should be like Tad iti. Anyad. Like Tad. So Tatte Tani. Tatte Tani. In Napumsakam. Correct? Anyat, Anye, Anyani. Anyena, Anyabhyam, Anyahi. Correct? Understood, Krishna? Saraswati.
Yes, sir.
So anyat nama, tasya anyat nama. So it is not, it is grammatically correct. Nama iti naman nakaranta napumsakalingam tatra prathama vibhaktiyam ekavachane nama. एवमेव अन्यत् इति विशेषणम्. अन्यत् इस् एन् एड्जेक्टिव् टु नाम. विशेषणमस्ति अत्र. Therefore अन्यत् नाम. अनन्तरं
Can I ask a question, sir?
पृच्छतु.
So if I want to rephrase the statement, tasya anyaha mitraha sudhama. So mitraha is pumlinga, so anyaha will come instead of anyat.
Mitram. Mitram you have to use.
Mitram, okay. Mitram is.
Mitraha is Surya.
So,
Mitraha is.
So yeah.
Mitram is anyat mitram.
Tasya. You can give another example. Tasya. There is a suhrudah. Suhrudah. Another word for friend. Suhrudah.
Right.
Pullingam. Tasya anyaha suhrudah sudama.
Okay.
Tasya anya sahodaraha. He has another brother. So anyaha sahodaraha sudama. Right?
Yes.
Anyaha sahodaraha. Because sahodaraha. Tasya anya sahodari.
Sahodari.
He has another sister called Geeta.
Yes. Okay.
Correct?
So for masculine form, pullinga form anya, right? Not anyaha.
Anya akaranta pullingam. Ramavat. Ramavat. Like Rama.
Tasya anyaha sagodaraha Sudama. Anyaha or anya?
Anyaha eva. So I mean I take it back. So anyaha. So like what? How will it decline?
Like Rama Shabdaha.
And no, it won't be Rama Shabda. Because it's a sarvanama. It's a pronoun. So pronouns decline differently in Sanskrit. So sarvaha. So first, so sarva is there. So at Pashyama, let's look at this. So it has to be anya, anyaha, anyo, anye. It won't be anyaha. No, anyaha must. Anyaha, anyo, anye. Sarvanama. Sarvanama. Pronouns decline little differently, no? So Pashyama. Yeah, anya is like that. It's, some of these words, sarva, anya, yetat, all these are pronouns. They all decline differently.
Saha taute.
Saha taute. So anyat atra pashyamaha. Anya, just masculine. Akaranta. Karanta pullingam anya. Look at that. Anyaha, anyo, anye. Drishyate va? And then like pashyatatra, dative, fourth case. Fourth case, anyasmai. Just like tasmai. Anyasmai, anyabhyam, anyabhyah. Then like just like tad, tasmat, anyasmat.
Anyasmat. Oh, anyasya.
Then anyasya, okay, same. And then but then saptami, not anye, anyasmin. Karanta Rama Shabda Rame. So atra anyasmin, tasmin, asmin, etasmin. So we have to be aware of this. So generally, when you get this these pronouns, you have to be a little careful. Careful means what? It comes it will be like this, anyasmin, anyasmai ityadi. Tasmai. So similarly, strilingam anya. Strilingam anya. How will it be? How will it decline? Can you guess?
Just like sa. Just like sa.
Sa. Okay. So how will you decline?
Anya, anya, anye, anya.
Anyaha.
Ditya vibhakti will also be the same thing.
Anyam.
Anyam, anyam, anye, anyaha.
Hmm.
Ditya vibhakti would be like
Yeah.
Anyaya.
anye, anyaya, anyaya, anyabhyam, anyabihi.
Anyabihi. Good.
Anyabihi. Anyai, anyai, anyabhyam.
Anyaiva.
Tas.
How it is anyai?
That's great.
Anya. Pratipadik means anya.
Tasmai.
Anyayai.
Anyayai. Anyayai.
Anyayai.
Anyayai. Tasyai comes because it is only tad tatra. Tad tasyai. So anyayai. Anyayai. So we should not do anyayam to this.
Anyayai.
Anyayai. And then?
Today I feel like I'm in school inspection. When we were in school, the inspector will come and test whether we have learned correctly.
My goodness. Mama Samskrita Adhyapakah tu tatra panchayam kakshayam. He used to beat us and do all these things. My goodness. I mean, I was doing okay in Sanskrit, but some of my classmates, they used to get beaten up and pinched and all these things they used to do. These teachers are horrible, huh? Some schools. Anyway, all those things come. So anyayai, anyabhyam,
Anyabhyah.
anyabhyah va, anyebhyah va.
Anyebhyah for masculine.
Abhyah. So anyabhyah.
Latabhyah va, latebhyah va.
Let me check.
Latabhyah, right?
So we have to check. So that's why we have dictionary. So let's check it out. Satra. Anya. Anya.
Ramabhyah. Anyabhyah. Anyabhyah.
Anya. So it must be anyabhyah. Anyabhyah. Anantaram. Anyabhyam, anyayai, anyabhyam, anyabhyah. Shashti. Panchami.
Panchami with the anyayaha.
Anyayaha, anyabhyam, anyabhyah.
Then Shashti Vibhakti also same will come for Ekavachan. Anyaya.
Anyayaha. Anantaram.
Anyoho.
Okay.
Anyoho.
Okay.
Punaha anyayam.
Anyayoho. I don't want to do anyayam. Anyayoho.
Punaha anyaya dvayam. Anyaya dvayam. Two anyayas in one shot.
Like Ayodhya, like that.
So Lata. Let's take a simple example. Lata, Shashti Vibhakti came Lata.
Latayaha, Latayoho,
Latayoho. Therefore, Latayoho. Therefore, Anyayoho. Anyayoho.
I think that second time I said that no anyayas, I increased the thing. Anyayoho, anyana.
Anyoha means after two anyayas. So anyayoho.
Anyanam.
Anyanam.
Anyanam. Anyayam. Anyayam. Yeah.
Anyayam.
Anyayam. Malayam, right? For Saptami Vibhakti.
No. Anyayam. No. Anyayam must. Anyayam must. How anyayam? Sahataute. Sate taha. What is the last one? Saptami. Tad shabdasya. Strilinge kim? Tasyaha tayoho tasam. Tasyaha tayoho tasam. Then saptami ekavachanam. Tasyam. So tad shabdasya there is syam is coming there. Syam. Tasyam. Therefore here also anya, it must be anyasyam, I think. Let's check it out. Anyasyam. Let's finish it and then check it out. Okay. Anyasyam.
Anyayoho. Same as Sashti Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Anyeshu.
Anyasu.
That is Rameshu.
Rameshu. Anyasu. So let's check. Look at that. Anyasyam. Anyayoho. Anyasu. So this so Sarvanama. Once you have Sarvanama, not that many Sarvanamas are there. So
Anyasam.
Anyasam, not Anyanam, correct. Anyasam. Tasam. So atra tad shabdasya api. Tasyaha tabhyam tabhyah. Tasyaha tayoho tasam. Tasyam tayoho tasu. Astu. अत्र अन्यान् शब्दान् प्रति सर्वं स्पष्टं वा? अत्र महर्षेः इत्युक्ते किम्?
महर्षि प्रातिपदिकम् इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचनं.
महर्षेः इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गं ऋषिः ऋषेः महर्षिः महर्षेः. पोषितवती. सरस्वती पठतु.
एकस्मिन् सायङ्काले काष्ठानि आनेतुं कृष्णः वनं गतवान्. तेन सह कुचेलः अपि गतवान्. सहसा वृष्टिः आगता. मेघाः अपि गर्जनं कृतवन्तः. आकाशो विद्युत् अपि आसीत्.
So
आकाशे विद्युत् अपि आसीत्.
अत्र आगता अपि अस्ति. अत्र तदपि कृदन्तम् अस्ति. came भूतकालार्थे. So in the sense of past tense, आगतः came. Like agatavan, but a different pratyaya, different krit pratyaya. So agatah, agata, agatam. In three genders, trishilingeshu vartate. So sahasa vrishtihi agata. Vrishtihi ityukte kim?
Rain.
Sahasa. Sahasa. So sahasa ityukte suddenly. Jatiti. Without just suddenly it rained. Suddenly rain came.
Vrishti, the Pullinga Shabda?
Vrishtihi pullingam va kim iti idanim katam janimaha. So this we can probably try to go here. Atra Vrishtihi Vrishti Vrishtihi.
Then you have to select.
Vrishtihi. Strilingam eva. Ikaranta strilingam. That is why atah eva atra agata iti likitam asti. That is the indication that vrishtihi is strilingam. Vrishtihi agataha mastu vrishtihi agata. So it's like an adjective to vrishti. Rain came. Sahasa, suddenly, jhatiti. Sahasa. So anetum. Anetum iti kim? Anetum.
I mean, to bring.
To bring. So you have to guess what is the dhatu for anetum.
Anayati.
Anayati.
A is the prefix.
Upasargaha.
Upasarga.
Ni dhatu. So you can use the same tools to find out that it is ni dhatu. Ni dhatu becomes anetum. Kintu, so I brought. Aham, with using the same ani, what will it be? So then it will be anitavan. Anitavan. Nitavan. So let's look that up. So sometimes these things you'll slowly get used to it. Nidhatu. Grammar.
Anitum is tuman.
Anetum. So atra, first thing you have to do, atra, nidhatu. Ni prapane. So ni prapane. So gana is one. So in order to use this engine, you need to know the gana. Correct? Yes?
Yes.
So that engine, the one we are using, it will ask you for the gana of every verb. Not only should you know the dhatu, but you should also know which gana it belongs to. So that is why I use this other site to look up the gana. Or you can use dhatu pata. Have you used dhatu pata? Dhatu pata iti. Have you referred to it before? No, probably not. No.
I always put there in that Sanskrit grammarian only and then check the number and then put it.
Okay, that is good. That is the way to do it. We keep doing that. So, ni dhatu. So, pratamaha gana eva.
Sometimes in Sanskrit, spoken Sanskrit dictionary also, they give the number. If it is not, probably it is one.
Oh, atra va?
Like if you put anayati, but they use only the present tense form.
Anayati. Yeah, of course. Pratamaha gana. Uttamam. That's also good. So otherwise, how do you? Divyati.
If you look here, they say like
Divyati. Good.
dash.
So it tells gana. This is the gana. Okay. That's good. I didn't realize that. Okay. Kim vadanasite?
If you go back to the previous sentence as a screen, No, in the same spoken dictionary, Anayati. Just back button. Yeah. In this, translate. Can you translate? I want to say the Anayati. And then if you look at that next to the verb one, they give Anayati and A is the prefix and then Upasarga and Ni is.
That also is there. Ani. So there can be no doubts here.
So sometimes I cannot find the word with the Upasarga, then I see this and then I go and check for that.
Ani. Oh, that's very nice. So Ni it's not able to translate. Why is that?
There is, I think, minimum letters limitation, I think, in this.
What is this? Ni. Nayati. Nayati. So Ni don't translate. Maybe Nayati.
Yeah, no, you have to give in the present tense form.
Oh. I see. Ni.
May not
Nayate,
take the dhatu. It may not take the dhatu directly.
See, but it says Ni.
But it is given, it's given.
Ni is there. No. I don't know what that is. Nayati Ni. Okay. Sometimes dhatu works, sometimes it doesn't work, I think. Okay, but that's good. So Anayati, tatra visargasya, upasargasya api. Anayati. Ani. Apurvaka Ni dhatu. Samyak. So Ni iti asti atra. Nayati nayataha iti. Niti mastu nayati. So that is the key there. Nayati ityadi. Then anetum. So anayati ityadi. Atra pashyatu. Kridantaha. Then avyaya. We have to go to avyaya section because tumun is avyaya. Tumun. Netum. Anetum. So it says there's an optional form of tumun. Nayitum. Not sure about that. Nitva. Balakaha pustakalayataha pustakam nitva kutra gatavan pustakam nitva chitram drashtum chitralayah gatavan. He got a book from the library and went to see a movie. Astu atra nitva. Then aniya. So you know the lep form also, no? Aniya. Aniya. So anetum. So ani. Agre patatu Saraswati.
Sarvatra andhakaraha asit. Krishnaha margam drishtum ashaktaha asit.
Drashtum, not drishtum.
Drashtum ashaktaha asit.
So another irregular form. Hello. Drashtum iti sabdasya vivaranam kim?
Pashyatum.
So this is the problem. So drishya, what is the dhatu? Pashyati, drishyati, drashtum, prashtum. So much confusion is there. Tatra. So let's start from the basics. So stemmer. Pashyati. So drashtum. Drashtum. What will happen if I give drashtum here? It can get it can get confused. Drashtum manas. So this won't take you anywhere. Drashtum. So how to find out that drish is the dhatu for drashtu? So that is a challenge we have. Drish. So pashyati. Pash. Pash related to drish. Drish becomes pash. So there is a rule, so which converts drish to pash. That's why you have this pashyati, etc. But then atra. So let's go to 4. So atra pashyati, pashyami, pashyasi ityadi. Okay. Apashyat, apashyam ityadi. Lang lakara rupani. Correct? You're all familiar with lang, no?
Yes.
Okay. So pash. So let's look at drish. Drish. So drish. Drish. So the very variant pash ityati atra asti. So pashyati, even though it says drishyate, so pashyati. Then let's copy this. Pashyati. So let's go to that pashyati route. So drish, I clicked 4 on drish. So present drishye, drishyase, drishyate. Passive. It's only giving the passive form. So this is not of much use right now. Adrishye ityadi. So we have to go to the pash. Pash. Okay. Pash. Okay. So just first learning is what did we say? We said pash is related to drish. Pash and drish are related. So in the dhatu pata, you may not even find pash. Some dhatu patas will not give pash. We need to look at it. Drish is the way I remember seeing it. So in fact, let's look at this. Let me share the screen. So first thing is, sometimes these dhatus are like that. Pash, if I type pash, what happens? Oh, pash bandhane. That's a different pash. Pasha. Right? Pasha, bandhane. So that's a different pash. So there is no pash. Drish. Drish prekshane, in the sense of seeing. Prekshane, prakarshena ikshane. Pashyati. So there is in the dhatu pata, there is only drish. There is no pash. Okay, are you all following me? Just happens to be a verb dhatu which is like that. That's all. And so drish dhatu, and in certain forms, the drish will become pash, and then pashyati, etc. Then let's look at that further, and then see what other. Okay, pashyati. This we know. Pashyati, apashyat, lang lakare. So this also you know. Then what about lit lakare, future tense? I will see Prime Minister Modi in Delhi. What is the form? So tatra pashyatu atra. लोट् अपि अस्ति पश्यतु पश्यतु इत्यादि जानन्ति भवन्तः आशीर्लिङ्ग वेर् इस् दिस् लृट् लृट् एव नास्ति अत्र ओ अत्र लृट् नास्ति किमर्थं पश्यति पश्यतु लिट् लृट् पश्यतु अत्र लृट् फ्यूचर् टेन्स् द्रक्ष्यति अहं दिल्ली नगरं गत्वा प्रधानमन्त्रिणं द्रक्ष्यामि द्रक्ष्यामि future tense for pash future tense so the word so it's just an irregular dhatu so sometimes it is drish sometimes it is pash that's all you have to remember there then lang lakare delhi nagaram gatva aham pradhanamantrinam apashyam पश्यतु लोट लकारे पश्यतु इत्यादि पश्य इत्यादि okay so tatra what we were going to see is tatra somehow see it's all incomplete drishyati see pashya pashyatu see it's all incomplete do you see that so I was hoping to see drashtum so they didn't give anything here drash is not given at all drish let's go to drish and see what it does drish adraksham benedictive drashtum so it tells you drashtum etc so if you do drish then you can see all the no this is niche one second darshayatu drasti drashtum drishtva ityadi can you see this so because of the two forms drishya and pashya so those websites are a little sensitive to what it wants to show and so you have to kind of look into the drish dhatu and then that tells you drashtum and drish means pashya therefore drashtum means to see I went to see so atra what was the sentence द्रष्टुम
मार्गं दृष्टुम आशक्तः आसीत्
असक्तः आसीत् asakta is another kridanta means ashaktavan na shaktavan krishnah margam drashtum na shaktavan shaktavan tavatu rupam so he was unable to see the path so likewise astu so today the purpose was to show these how to use these websites so online madhye yantrani santi tesham katham upayogam kurmah iti so was it helpful somewhat or did you learn anything new today or how is it
yes
a lot
okay so I will send you the links to this website you already know it probably but so Indriya that website is just to recap the three or four websites we used so the first website is the sanskrit.indriya the French site okay yes
and how did you set it like the translation thing to English from French
okay so generally on top right
Mhm.
It will ask you. So remember, it asked me, do you want to translate like that?
Yeah, it asks me every time.
It asks you every time. I think there is, if you go to options, you can say always. You can say always. And then it automatically translates that website. I think it's been so long, I now don't remember. But Tatra, Patre, the instruction, in that instruction, in the document, right? Sanskrit resources document. This they have said this. The Akila has put the note on how to make it permanent in Google Chrome. So you may want to look into that. I don't remember right now how to do that. But Chrome will remind you. I know if you go to options also, that's one way to do it. If there is another way to do it, we can look into that. Okay. So you translate it every time, is it? You tell it to translate?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So there is.
And other, I first find the meaning of the word in spoken dictionary, just to understand what is the context. Then I go and see the grammar of it.
Oh, so let's do this. Let's go to a French website, see what it says. Okay, so atra Anglabhashayam likhitam asti. So now
Like if you look at it, there it is government.fr/en/.
Look, look. I clicked on the French thing. Now it is asking me. It says translated. Okay. Now let's look at option. Always translate French. Is already checked for me. Okay. Are you able to see this? Yeah. So this is where I think that's why it's automatically translated French. Even though, look at that. Even though I was in this site, it was showing English. Punaha, then I went to the French version, switched to French version. But then the Chrome thinks I don't want to see French. So it's automatically translating it. Okay. So never translate this site. So I have to choose one of these other options, which I don't want to do right now because I don't know if it will. Translations are better for me. So you got the idea there.
Yes.
So when Chrome comes up with this message, translated, etc., you go to options. And if you say always translate French, then that's it. You're good forever. So Chrome seems to know what language it is, and so it will translate it. And so we looked at this Indriya website. Then you know this website, which is spokensanskrit.org. Yeah. Which is used, which is good. It's always a good starting point to identify words. And as you already pointed out, all the dhatus, prefixes and all, it's able to split and tell us. So that's always an advantage. Then I go to another site called ashtadhyayi.com. So there it is. It's nice. It won't tell you krudantas. It will only tell you all the lakaras, all the verb forms. So taking a more simpler examples. But so patati ityadi. So it tells you all the lakaras till rung. It says it won't tell you patitavan, patitum, patitva. All that it won't tell you. So the advantage of this site for me is it will tell me the Gana. Its forms are sometimes more correct. And even though here there is a tab called Krudanta Rupani. So Nilesh Bodas works in Google. He's the author of this ashtadhyayi.com. And he is a genius. He's just hacking away. And he's a teacher at Vyoma Sanskrit Labs. So he teaches Kridantas, etc. So if you go to Vyoma and look up the some of the classes, he's one of the instructors. So I speak with him occasionally to have a few questions, or if I point out some mistakes, I send it to him. So he's doing a great job there, ashtadhyayi.com. So like this, we have all these tools, no? And then another tool we saw was what? This Sanskrit dictionary. We didn't use much at all. I don't use this much, but you can definitely experiment with this Sanskrit dictionary. Did any of you use Sanskrit dictionary before?
Yeah, I have
I've
used
used
it,
it.
but I use more spoken, the Sanskrit grammarian more. For grammar and meaning, I use spoken. Only if I don't get, I will go and see there.
Okay. Krishna, what about you?
Yes, sir. I've used the Sanskrit dictionary. I mean, once in a while, but the spoken one is the one that is more helpful for me because it gives me the list of words I can pick both in Sanskrit and in English. So people like me, I need it. All the help I can get.
Now, how did they live 500 years ago, 1000 years ago? And they say they used to speak Sanskrit. Bharata Deshasya, the Laukika Bhasha, the official language was Sanskrit. Everything.
I think there is one more village totally speaks Sanskrit, I guess. It's somewhere in Karnataka or somewhere.
Yeah, Karnataka Rajya. What is the name of the village?
Mattur.
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 So they speak.
Even whatever they are talking about nowadays to prevent this the virus infection, to wash the hands, all those we have learned a lot. And before I could never read Sanskrit. Now I'm at least, even though I make some mistakes, but definitely better than what I was before. And I'm able to understand. And before I used to, for every word, I have to use the dictionary. Now it is like reducing slowly, and that means my vocabulary is improving. And I'm able to understand even when I'm reading the same slokam, what I used to, I was chanting for several years. I couldn't understand what they were trying to say, but slowly I'm asking the question, what does it mean? And then slowly getting grasp of the meaning and then finer details of what it means. So it's really, really helping. And thank you very much for both of your
So you're learning the language, but gaining the confidence that even if I don't know the word, I can figure out what it means. Yeah? That confidence comes. Yeah. Good. That's the way it should be.
Some of the slokas I used to learn. I mean, we learned way back and very little in. I mean, now I'm finding what I'm pronunciation is wrong. Like some of them is Ramaskandam Hanumantam, Vainateyam Brukodaram. I used to say Sayanena Smare Nityam, Sayane Yah Smare Nityam. So those things are coming up now with the language. Oh, that is wrong. And then another one is Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya Vedase, Raghunataya, Nathaya. I used to say Sitayam Pate Namah. Now with the grammar, I say Sita Yah.
Correct.
So those things, I mean, I myself pat myself and then I wish I would thank you guys and then say Guru Brahma. And we used to say Namaskara because so many things, it just makes me happy.
Very nice. Yeah, Sitayaha Pataya Namah. Because you won't know.
Otherwise, yes, sir. Otherwise, I used to say Sita Yam Pataya Namah. Now I say, no, that's wrong. Sita Yah.
Correct. Perfect. This is good. Excellent. That's the way it should be. And now I want to thank Haripriya ji also because thanks to her, all these tutorial classes are happening. And just an idea one of my students gave to use this model, and so she's been very kind, and every Thursday she's teaching and helping all of you. So Bhagini, aneke dhanyavadaha.
No, Mahodaya. This is a learning for me also. Earlier, I never used to go, except for teaching in Skype. I never used to use so much of technology. now after this I have started teaching in free conference call also. That's a bit more complicated than this, but everything is because of this opportunity only. Otherwise, I don't think I'd have. And I am also learning a lot.
Very
I
nice.
think you also have found a bonding among students also. More like a family.
Yeah, almost like family. It's a family.
Correct, correct. No, that's how it should be. And so, Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Nice meeting all of you again.
Thank you, sir.
Namaskara.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.